Oh my God, that was so good. I might need to move to the province or at least visit here more often. Wow, it was a little bit expensive. 1,000 pesos, 1 hour massage, but that's like the wash massage where they wash you and scrub you. Really, really good. Whatever scrub they used was like a menthol, so it really cools you down. All right, Sonny, this is for you.
You need to sign a waiver.
You have to sign.
Oh, okay, okay.
Come on, sir.
This is for you, Sonny. GSXS 1000. They're gonna let me test ride it. Okay, be right back. What's the waiver say? If I break it, I bought it?
No, John's credit card's right here.
Oh, all right, we're good then. She told me next time I want to film a dealership or buy a bike, come here.
You can use the blinker if you want.
Oh, hazard. Oh yeah, police. Okay, so we're good. Hit that and go 300, right?
300?
But keep that on when you... I'm just kidding.
No,
I'm just joking.
I don't go for that speed.
Ooh.
Just behave, huh? You got my plate number.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll behave. Oh, 1000. GSX S 1000f. Oh, 1000 cc, 4-cylinder. It's been a while, but we have to be good. Behave. I'm riding on his plate. It's not actually theirs. So nice of him to let me use this. Thank you, sir. And we got police lights on here. Check it out. Don't hit me, cars. This ain't mine. I don't want to pay for a bike and not have one. No RPM gauge. I don't even know where I'm at to shift. I guess you have to do it the old way, like just feel it. Wonder if I'm making them nervous. No, see, I'm nice and slow. First gear in it. I was joking about 300. He said just 80. I haven't even got to 80. Oh shit, that power band. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting the shift. What the fuck y'all doing? Y'all trying to make me buy a 1000 cc bike. Oh, I was told by friends downshift rev matching is easier on a 1000 cc when you get up on the 4-cylinder bikes. They are liars. That is not true at all. That's a whole nother different type of downshift rev matching to learn, because my bike's really forgiving on that. This one, not so much. They're trying to sell me a ZX-10R. I have to admit, that ZX-10R looks pretty sexy, but I don't know. I just bought my bike. This bike's pretty cool. I'd want a different windscreen and handlebars a little bit lower. I guess for traveling it's good though. Be more comfortable not having, you know, it's more upright than my bike a little bit. I don't know if the bike's more upright. The handlebars are more upright than mine, but I guess you could put a different style on here, lower ones. There's Wheeltek. All right, we made it back safe. I could get used to a 1000. Okay. You want me to take it on the highway?
Hey, I'm gonna be on the highway.
Serious? Oh, I didn't know that. I thought just up and down the street. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Oh, that 4-cylinder. Smoothness of a 4-cylinder. Man. Gotta love that. Sonny's in love with this bike. My friend Sonny wants this bike so bad. They don't sell it in the States. You can find it, but good luck finding a good deal on buying one of these. Sonny, I rode the bike you want. Nah, 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 nah. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just next time we can arrange, if you want to do a test ride, a longer ride, we can arrange it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Manila, take note. These people know how to treat customers.